I am pleased to support House Bill 962, sponsored by my good friend from Berks County. The two bills before us today, this bill and House Bill 963, they offer a two-part but unified endeavor to address weaknesses in Pennsylvania's civil and criminal statutes relating to sexual abuse of children. This bill addresses the issue of child sexual abuse within the context of criminal and civil statutes, of limitations of governmental immunity. House Bill 963 would provide a 2-year civil window for actions arising from childhood sexual abuse where a statutory limitations period has already expired. In previous legislative sessions, these two pieces were contained in a single bill. This approach, while different in form, does not indicate a deviation from the ultimate goal. You just heard what that goal is, which is to provide justice to those who have been harmed and to do what we can to prevent future harm. I am humble and I am grateful. I am proud that in my first term as a legislator, I get to stand in front of this body of elected colleagues and declare my support for this legislation. I will be even more proud and grateful and humbled when all of this comes together, when this bill becomes law, and when the voters of the Commonwealth enact the proposed amendment to the Constitution in House Bill 963. Until then, I will continue to stand with those who have been subjected to child sexual abuse and those who are working to bring justice to those individuals. As we heard earlier today, Rabbi Klein in her benediction mentioned the word thrivers. 3 hours before she mentioned that word, I texted my good friend from Berks County 3 simple words: we are thrivers. When she mentioned the word thrivers, we both looked up at each other and we recognized this is going to get done. There are victims of violence and abuse in our presence. There are survivors of violence and abuse in our midst. And there are thrivers. Mark, myself, we are here together as members of the State House of Representatives. We're not victims. We're not survivors. We are thrivers. And as thrivers, we are extending our hand to those who we speak for here today. I hope that you will stand with us today and take this step together. Thank you very much.